What is a clinical psychologist? A clinical psychologist specializes in the assessment, diagnosis, and psychological treatment of mental illness, behavioral and emotional disorders across the lifespan. A clinical psychologist is able to assess the causes of psychological distress and then help develop a management or treatment plan for stabilization or recovery. What skills do clinical psychologists have? Clinical psychologists are trained in the assessment and diagnosis of mental illnesses and psychological problems. They understand the broad expanse of mental health issues and how they may occur at any age. They use psychological tests in order to assess issues and be more effective in understanding and treating those psychological distress. Besides, clinical psychologists use a range of techniques and therapies to treat mental health disorders. They hold particular skills to solve complex clinical psychology problems requiring individually tailored treatment. Are clinical psychologists medical doctors? No. Clinical psychologists are not medical doctors and do not prescribe medications. They use psychological therapies. What are the differences between psychiatrists, clinical psychologists, and counselors? This picture we have made can give you a better understanding of the difference. Services. MG Psychological and Counselling Services Center provides mental health screening and psychological assessment. Management of psychological problems include depression, anxiety, obsessive-compulsive disorder, dementia, sleep problems, trauma, common child and adolescent psychological problems, other psychological problems, and counseling and psychotherapy. Online therapy. No worries. MG Psychological and Counselling Services Center provides online psychotherapy, where you can seek professional help by staying at home. You can choose any location which is comfortable and preferable to conduct the session. You just need a smartphone or laptop with internet access to meet our professionals.